Hey guys, this is Chad Harrison, the insurance guy, checking in from Danielson Insurance Agency here in Kingsford. And this week on our episode of What's Up With That? Questions from Insurance, we're going to discuss a topic that one of our customers had for us this week. They came in and the conversation went a little bit like this. Hey insurance guy, I just got in an accident and I was pulling my trailer behind my big F-350 truck. Smashed all up. That's covered, right? Oh man, I hate to hear that about the accident. Those are never fun moments in life, huh? Well, the short answer to your question, is there coverage on your trailer, is yes and I don't know. What you mean, insurance guy, yes and I don't know? You're confusing me. What I mean by that is that if it's attached to a vehicle, then there's liability insurance for sure. There's liability, so if you cause damage or if you injured someone else, there'll be coverage if it's off of your trailer. The I don't know part is I don't know what kind of physical damage coverage that you've got scheduled in your policy. Well, insurance guy, my uncle says to me, he says, if your car and your trailer are attached, then the coverage goes onto the trailer too. Isn't that right? I'm so confused. Yeah, I know, it can be confusing and there's a lot of misunderstanding when it comes to trailer insurance and what's covered and what's not. But let's pull open your policy and we'll dig into it and we'll come to the right answer for you. Sound good? Sounds good, insurance guy. Sure am glad I got you. All right, let's go. Hey, we know when it comes to insurance, there's a lot of details in all of those policies that you might have, and it's easy to get lost in the small print and all of those pages of information. We just want to make it simple for you today. Really quickly, we have our truck and we have our trailer. Okay, so for the sake of our conversation today, there's lots of videos that we can make over trailers and contents, and we're going to make more as we go forward. But today we just want to talk about the trailer's coverage itself. Okay, to further illustrate this, let's take a look at our truck and our trailer again. We're parked out in front of our house. The trailer is currently not attached to our car. At the moment we attach it to a vehicle, there is some coverage that will extend from whatever vehicle is pulling the trailer, and that's the liability insurance. So as long as there's liability insurance on the vehicle, the car that is pulling it, that insurance extends over to the trailer. Now liability is just your responsibility if you harm someone else or if your vehicle causes damage to someone else's property. Let's just say that our friend's heading to camp for the day though, and on the way they have an accident, the trailer comes flying off, and it's just destroyed and smashed. If this trailer does not have scheduled coverage for property damage, that's collision and comprehensive, or collision and sometimes it's called other than collision, then there would be no coverage from the automobile to the trailer. The trailer would have to have its own protection for that kind of damage. So again, just to reiterate, when it's attached to any vehicle, there is liability coverage that extends to the trailer. But if there is physical damage and it's not scheduled either on a home policy or an auto policy or its own policy, then there would be no coverage for the damage to the trailer. We hope this video has been helpful for you as we've tried to explain a little bit more about how trailers are covered, the difference between liability and physical property protection. There's a lot of other topics that we could cover when it comes to trailers, like transportation, transporting goods, moving. Is your personal property on the trailer covered? And we're going to go over some of those things in future episodes. If you have questions, please contact your local agency, as our goal is to get you to look into your policy to see exactly how your coverage is stated, as every carrier covers things a little bit differently. If you are in need of some help and you have questions, please contact us here at our agency at 906-779-1900. We'd be happy to look at your policies with you and explain some of the coverages that are there and maybe some that aren't there. And if you want to check out our website, danielsoninsurance.com, or check out our Facebook page. Catch up with us there. We love to interact. And if you have questions, please post it on that Facebook page. We'll try to address those as they come up. As always, it's our pleasure to serve you and your families. And when you think insurance, think Danielson's. Till next time, peace out. Hey, when it comes to insuring your trailers, don't be like me and forget about it.